Today, I will be guiding you through the Household Product Database, which until recently was hosted by the National Library of Medicine. However, the Household Product Database has been discontinued and replaced by the Consumer Product Information Database, which has been the source for the Household Product Database for 20 years. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to 1. Identify the benefits of the Consumer Product Information Database, 2. Navigate through the Consumer Information Product Database to discover information about household products, and 3. Complete an advanced search for desired information. The Consumer Product Information Database, or CPID, located at www.whatsinproducts.com, contains health effect information for products used in home and in some commercial or institutional settings that contain chemicals. The CPID is unique because it links brand names to health effects and allows consumers to select brands based on their individual sensitivity to specific chemical ingredients. Though this data can be useful to public health and government agencies, physicians, and healthcare providers, as well as manufacturers, we will be focusing on the specific benefits for general consumers. I would like to reiterate that the Consumer Product Information Database has been a reliable source for 20 years and is backed by the U.S. Public Health Service Department of Health and Human Services. Let's explore some of the benefits of the Consumer Product Information Database. The CPID can help identify chemicals in products that you currently use or plan to use, which could help you avoid brands with ingredients that you might be sensitive to. It can help an individual determine the health effects of product formulations. It can allow consumers to view safety data sheets, and it can provide contact information for manufacturers. We will now navigate through the Consumer Information Database. If you take a look here on the home page, you will see a slider that allows you to select products based on categories such as auto products, landscaping, home maintenance, and more. Also on the home page, we are able to browse through the most searched products as well as new brands. In the search section of this page, you're able to search for products by brands, product types, ingredients, manufacturers, health effects, and first aid. Also, each of these search options, excluding manufacturers, will allow you to compare multiple products to help you determine which one may best suit your needs or restrictions. At the top of the page to the right, you will notice a link that says Product Recall. This section allows you to search for product recalls by year, month, or product name. If we look to the top right of the website, we are able to select our desired region. Selecting a region will give you products specific to that country and change the web page's language to that of the region selected. You can also select all, and this will give you a global search. On any page, you can return to the home page by clicking on the home link or on the CPID logo. Lastly, I will show you how to complete an advanced search for desired information on the CPID. Something to note here is that this search does not support Boolean operators. You will have to type the word individually. The advanced search options allow you to search for brand names, types of products, manufacturer, chemical ingredients, MSDS, and health effects. You can also filter by product category or product attributes, or you can type in the keyword or parts of the keyword in the search bar. We have reached the end of the tutorial, and it is my hope that I have empowered you with the knowledge to effectively identify the benefits of the Consumer Product Information Database, navigate through the Consumer Information Database to discover information about household products, and to complete an advanced search for desired information. Thank you for watching this tutorial brought to you by Sean Stoltz.